Variety is the spice of life, and the creation of that variety dictates that whether you're a discrete or process manufacturer, the way that you make the things that you sell is unique. As a result, every manufacturing business has a different way of working, and finding an ERP solution that can fit around and complement your unique business can seem like an impossible task. Beas is the answer. Based on manufacturing best practices, Beas is designed to manage different business processes in both discrete and process manufacturing. And when combined with SAP Business One, it becomes the ultimate global solution for small and mid-sized manufacturing businesses. Offering comprehensive and invaluable workflows and functionality from the planning phase through to control, implementation and fulfillment, Beas ensures efficiency and flexibility for manufacturers of anything from metal and plastics to machinery and automotive, and from chemicals to food and beverage. Combining comprehensive functionality for production and logistics, including advanced planning and scheduling, MRP2, quality control, resource maintenance, cost control and production data collection for make-to-order, make-to-stock, engineer-to-order, project-oriented and configure-to-order business processes. And with a suite of mobile apps to keep your business running while on the move, every scenario has been explored and accounted for. With the added power of IT's world-renowned customization tools for SAP Business One, you can rest assured that the way that your business runs can be more efficient, simpler, faster, and better without compromising the uniqueness that makes it stand out from the crowd. Beas Manufacturing with SAP Business One. Be easier, be simpler, be faster, Beas.